Ever found yourself questioning how to maintain a carnivore diet while constantly on the move? It might seem like a daunting task, but don't fret. There's a world of nutritious carnivore-friendly snacks and meals out there that are just as convenient as they are delicious. Let's dive into some of them. First up, hard-boiled eggs. These protein-packed delights are easy to cook in batches and store in the fridge, making them a quick grab-and-go snack. Next, there's beef jerky. When choosing jerky, it's best to opt for ones made with minimal ingredients and devoid of added sugars or artificial flavors. Canned fish is another excellent choice. Tuna, salmon, sardines, and mackerel packed in water or olive oil are all reliable options. For those who crave a crunchy snack, pork rinds are a carb-free and satisfying choice. Cheese slices, especially full-fat natural varieties like cheddar, gouda, or Swiss, make for a filling snack that's easy to carry. Deli meats like roast beef, turkey, or ham can be rolled up for a quick and easy snack or mini meal. Cooked bacon slices kept in a container offer a savory snack high in fat and protein. Steak or chicken strips, cooked and sliced, can be a delicious and filling snack when time is short. Bone broth, either homemade or store-bought, stored in a thermos, makes for a warm and nourishing drink when on the go. Pork or beef patties made extra during meal prep are a convenient and satisfying meal option. Pepperoni or salami slices provide a quick and flavorful snack. Liver pâté, spread on cucumber or celery slices, offers a nutrient-dense snack option. Chicken wings, cooked and ready to be eaten cold or quickly reheated, make for a delectable snack or meal. Deviled eggs, mixed with mayonnaise and mustard, serve as a portable and protein-rich snack. Lastly, beef or chicken broth-based soups, made hearty with meat and minimal vegetables, offer a warm and comforting meal on the go. When preparing these snacks and meals, remember to focus on using quality ingredients. Avoid added sugars, grains, and processed foods to maintain alignment with the principles of the carnivore diet. Also, never forget the importance of proper food safety practices when storing and transporting perishable items. In essence, staying true to a carnivore diet while on the go is all about smart choices and careful preparation. So next time you're in a rush, remember these carnivore-friendly snack and meal ideas. They're not just convenient, they're a tasty way to stay committed to your diet wherever you may be.